Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is R Dynamic and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video is featuring this absolutely beautiful Range Rover Velar that we've upgraded with a detachable Swan neck system and a dedicated wiring loom. So in this video I'm going to be talking you through a little bit more about what this system is and how it looks on this particular vehicle. So if you're new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. It will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos of installations that we're carrying out from workshop facilities here in Cambridge. So in terms of this vehicle, what this customer was after was a really neat looking solution. So what we've done is added in this detachable Swan neck, so it's complete, retains all the functionality of a tow bar, however it looks really cool and complete factory look once it's off the vehicle. So this customer went ahead and purchased a new rear valance. Generally when we're upgrading these vehicles with tow bars, because we do a lot for the local main dealerships, what we've got is that rear valance. So when you put the neck in, that rear valance comes off, your factory valance comes off, and then what you've got is that all looks really rather bare at the back. So when you're towing, you've got that, and then when the neck comes off, you can put that valance back on, your car goes back to stock. This customer was obviously, he's bought the R Dynamic spec, wanted something a little bit nicer. So what we managed to do is actually cut into a aftermarket rear valance. So when he is towing, he can put the neck in, put the aftermarket rear valance, which we made a small cut into. So the car looks relatively stock, and then also you've got the functionality of the tow bar. Then when the neck is off, then we can put the factory valance back on the vehicle so it looks completely stock, and the dedicated electrics wiring goes tucked up out the way. So a really nice solution for those of you who are looking for something that little bit better. That's why people come directly to us here in Cambridge. We have customers travel from all over the country to us, so make sure you get in touch with us and we'll go through all of the options as well for you. So on the R Dynamic range, a lot of manufacturers of tow bars are saying that it just cannot be done. However, it can be done here in Cambridge, so make sure you get in touch with us. In terms of the solution of what it looks like when it's off the vehicle, so it's completely factory, and when you're towing on this particular vehicle, because we've got that new aftermarket valance, looks really smart as well. So if you are new to our channel, make sure you press that subscribe button below. In terms of the dedicated wiring loom, basically what that's doing is adjusting all your safety features behind the scenes. So what it does, as soon as you plug in, whether that's a cycle carrier, small trailer, or even a caravan for that matter, whatever it is, as soon as you make that physical connection into a 13-pin dedicated wiring loom that we've added to the vehicle, your vehicle completely changes behind the scenes. It goes into basically into the brain of the car. So what it's doing is it retells the car, once that's plugged in, braking systems need to adjust, fuel systems need to adjust, loads of parameters, all of the safety features are just behind the scenes. And that's one of the key important features of a dedicated wiring loom. If you are interested in more information on dedicated wiring looms, what the benefits are, make sure you get in contact with us. We'll go through everything in great detail. But thank you very much guys for watching our very short video, just giving you a bit of a run through on a Range Rover Velar, our dynamic system that we've upgraded. So thank you very much, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.